Hello, today we will be making a lemon pie from the Betty Crocker cookbook. We'll be following the recipe on page 363. For it we will need 1 pie shell, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup cornstarch, 1 1/2 cups water, 3 egg yolks slightly beaten, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon grated lemon rind. Let's get started. We're going to start with our new Lodge 9-inch pie pan. We're going to take our roll-out crust. First we're going to butter the pie pan. Normally you would use flour for this, but since it's cast iron, I'm thinking butter is going to be slightly better. This is also our 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we simply unroll our pie shell. And place it in the pan, stretching it slightly to fill all the corners. Now we shall score the bottom of the pie pan so we don't have any air bubbles. Now this goes in the oven at 450 degrees for about 8 minutes. We are going to need some grated lemon rind, which is zest of a lemon, and we will need 1 tablespoon worth. So let's get started on that now while our pie crust cooks. This is about the nicest lemon I could find on the tree, so let's start with it first. We're just about there. We're going to call that good enough. Now we need to prepare our 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We're just going to juice these by hand. Let's get a small knife out. Get to cutting. See, we got just about a 1/4 cup out of 3 lemons. That's good. Next, we're going to prepare our 3 eggs. Normally, we would separate the whites from the yolks, and we'd only use the yolks for this to save the whites for the meringue, but I'm not making meringue because I hate doing it. Today I will be using Lodge's 3-quart to make my pie filling. At 8 minutes, our pie is looking light and golden brown, ready to go. We've got 1 cup of sugar, and our 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup cornstarch, if you add a little bit more, it gets a little bit firmer. Now we add our water. Now that we've got all the lumps out, we can put it on the stove. We're going to have it about on medium-high to start off with, because this electric stove doesn't put very good output. And at this point, I like to add my egg in. I know you're supposed to take it off and do it while it's hot, let it cool. But I like adding my egg early. So we're just going to stir this constantly now. Get it all well combined, and we're going to bring it up to a light boil. Alright, as you can see, it is now starting to thicken. I need to turn it down to about medium. At least on my stove it needs to be about medium. As you probably can already tell, I used too much cornstarch and I cooked the egg this time. You can see little chunks of egg floating around here. We're just about ready to take it off the heat. It needs about another minute. I need to get some bubbles popping before we're ready to take it off. We want it to be a little extra thick, well, thicker than this, because when we add the lemon and the butter, it's going to thin it out some. But I can already tell by stirring it, it's pretty thick. Alright, we're taking it off. We're now going to add our butter, our lemon zest, and our lemon juice that has seeds in it. How did that happen? Alright, it's ready to just add on in here. Now we just leave it to cool. Alright, so our pie has cooled, and let's see how it tastes. Held very nicely and cut very well out of the cast iron. It's a little bit too thick. I know I added extra cornstarch and I probably shouldn't have. I usually add a bit of extra lemon because I really like it to punch you in the face when you eat it. Kind of sweet, kind of thick. Definitely lemony. Not lemony enough for me, but I eat lemons right off the tree, so there's that. Definitely a good recipe, and definitely one that I make several times a year because I have my own lemon tree. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you make a lemon pie of your own. Thanks for watching.